It is the first day of the Victory 21 Nationals. We just finished the High Sierra Regatta 2 days ago, and we are jumping right back into our Fleet Nationals. There's 8 boats racing today. Should be fun. We lost Mitch and Quincy. They had to, unfortunately, go back to a spree because they are headed to Europe. Not on a spree, but for their sock business. So we miss them, but it'll still be a fun day on the race course. We're out of breath because altitude is hard. So we're gonna go rig the boat and get out on the water. Everyone, it is the last day of the Victory 21 Nationals. Today we have 2 races and hopefully we will do a little bit better than 6th place. Yesterday, after doing some recon, Chris discovered that our rudder is crunchy. It was making some very horrible noises.
Bound up.
And it felt very bound up. And our tiller does not move as easily as everyone else's in the fleet. So Chris put some T9 in it. Hopefully that helped loosen it up. We'll see. Should be an exciting day regardless. If anything, we win most consistent. So we're just gonna get some more sunscreen on and head out to the start line. It's gonna be a great day. Mwah! I never thought the day would happen. Watch it.
Don't touch me. I'm not trying. No, don't touch the pole. I'll drop down in here, but don't touch me. Touch me. I have a headache.
As long as your brother stays behind us, I think I'll be okay. But if he passes us, I think that's going to be a day ruiner.
Just finished up our first race of the day, and we did okay at the back of the group. But all that matters really to us is that we came in before my brother. So John just went through the finish line, and so we got 15 minutes till our next race, and then we do our last one of the season. This is the 15th season for the sails we have right now, and the rest of the fleet basically has either new or a couple years old sails, so it's definitely a big difference between our boat versus the others.
Nationals, 64th Annual Victory Nationals at Huntington Lake. And coming in 5th place, Scooter at the helm.
Thank you, thank you. And I plan to be here in 3 years when we do it again. Thank you all you out of town.
In the last 20 years, first time ever, 5 bullets with first place, Matt and Laura Bonander.
Yeah, it's time to name the boat, guys. Come on.
Because you've already got your trophies.
Victory 21
No, you guys get in
perpetual
there in
trophy
Yeah,
for
cover
the
outside.
Victory 21 National Jazz.
Halfway there. So Chris has entered the customs declaration office, so hopefully he comes out alive.
She looks good so far.
We are going to reinstall this beautifully custom created bowsprit